First, I want to know, Pawan, what is your POV? What is the solution that you decide that you are going with? Whom did you interview? What did you learn from the interview, solution interview? And how did you refine your solution based upon this interview? And what questions, unanswered questions, and what new ideas came up? You understood my logic? Simple. We are going analytical. Question क्या था? आंसर क्या आपको पता चला? आंसर से आप इंटरव्यू किए, इंटरव्यू से क्या समझ में आया, और इंटरव्यू से अभी आप उस सोल्यूशन को कैसा आप मॉडिफाई कर रहे हो, या फिर कोई नया सोल्यूशन आया? जस्ट टेल मी दिस. ओके.
So initially we have selected in brainstorming out of 35 ideas we have selected 3. That is our
Hold on. I'll open the mirror. You're from
education.
Okay. I will share the screen so that people can see what I am showing. Safari, room share. Okay, can you guys see my screen? Girish?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay, so I'm going to the POV, right?
Yeah.
यहाँ से Rohan, how to improve skills, so Rohan becomes more employable, right? Now tell me.
So out of this we have selected these 3 specific domain related skills we need to improve. Monitoring the job market and analyzing the demand, and third promoting can you just zoom it a little bit? I am not able to read. Red one. Yeah. Promoting innovative projects for real life problem solving. So these 3 ideas we have chosen as a rate.
Second one was monitoring
the job market and analyzing skill demand.
Okay, good. Abhi yahan se let's go to the interviews. Okay. ये क्या है यार? Room.
Shall I share, sir?
No, because we were waiting for you. I shared in between. That's fine.
Okay.
And now since I've opened it, I'll just share that. Then you did interviews. कितने interviews किए आपके group ने?
So we could only manage 2-3 interviews.
That's okay. So क्या बोले लोगों ने?
Sir, what they liked about our solution was that it is you can see that it is it is the much required solution, that is everybody wants that they should be industry ready and they should be employable. So they like that it is a comprehensive solution covering all the aspects of that. And then of course, every student who joins a professional course wants practical exposure, which probably does not happen in an institute so much. So they liked the solution because of that also. But what they did not like was they thought that doing this practical work will require a lot of effort on their part. So how it would go parallel with their course, and how it would go parallel with their studies and institutes assignments and all. So this was maybe their query or their doubt also, but they did not like that part. And how much would be the gestation period, like that once this our program starts, so in how many days they will be industry ready? And that they thought it is a long gestation period, because already they are doing a course. And then and then the third part, which is very, very relevant, was that why should they pay extra beyond their college fees? They have joined a college just for that only. And then the questions, the doubts which they have, that will live projects be relevant, or just it is a fad term and people are talking about live projects and that is why. Then how can just if because we couldn't explain the entire idea to them, so they thought if we have to do live projects, then how can I as a student contact the company? Then how much will I be required? It is a big sum to pay, and whether I'll be able to afford or not. And then how much time, I mean, again, the gestation period was the question, that how much time will it take for me to become industry ready? then the idea from where I mean we got from there is that it is a very good platform. We can develop a platform rather which kind of not only takes care of the student side, but we can involve the industry also, because they are also finding it difficult to find the right kind of candidate. There is a lot of quantity but no quality. So it can be a very good place of bridging that gap, bringing the two parties, job seekers and job people who have jobs to offer together, and customized skill development we can do, not a generic approach. And then we can have hackathons if in case of here it is not merely becoming employable, we are also talking about entrepreneurship and starting ventures. So it is like this, and then this is how we can from there we got this idea that it can be a joint platform for the companies and the students to come together, and then it can become a viable business model which can generate revenue also.
Okay, good. So how did your solution change from the before you went to the solution interviewing and after the interview?
Sir, I would like to say that our solution changed in two aspects. It did not change much because we are teachers, so a kind of a little pulse we know of the student. So I will not say that it totally changed, but yes, it did change in two aspects. One is the thing is that from there we could derive that if we can get some revenue flowing from the side of the industry to have this platform, then we can make this platform much more available in terms of monetary things for the students. Students के लिए हम इसको बहुत सस्ता बना सकते हैं अगर हम दोनों लोगों को कंबाइन कर देंगे, दोनों पार्टीज को, बिकॉज द डे बिफोर यस्टरडे जो सर आए थे, ही वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट स्पोकन ट्यूटोरियल्स अबाउट थिंग्स. सो इट्स सच अ वंडरफुल आइडिया. सो वहां से हम लोग को लगा कि अगर हम इस चीज को कंबाइन कर देंगे, सो देन फॉर स्टूडेंट्स वी कैन एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वी कैन ऑफर फ्री ऑल्सो, अगर हमारा वी मूव बियॉन्ड ब्रेक इवन और समथिंग. So that is one idea which it changed about this thing. And second thing is that what changed was that if we go for when a student is very much concerned about the gestation period, because everybody is in a hurry. So we have to keep a very good system of monitoring and evaluation to we just can't let the student go on a self-learning mode, auto jise kehte hain. We have to monitor his progress. Like in this FDP, we are not being monitored, but we know that we are being monitored, so in that way like we have to see his progress and tell his progress every day, so that within a due framework of time he is able to get what he wants, and our efforts are also bearing fruit. Then only it will attract most.
Okay, excellent. Okay, now that you've got a new idea, you have to go back with नया आइडिया. आपको ये आइडिया कैसा आया? This is called prototyping, no? Prototyping testing से ये आइडिया आया. Now the idea again has to go back to the problem statement. कि actual problem statement क्या है? POV क्या है? Does it work? Is the POV right? Okay, POV seems to be right. Brainstorming से ये idea. Okay, can I go again, flesh out the idea a little bit more and go back for solution interviewing to check? And maybe at that time, instead of solution interviewing, a different prototyping tool you could use is you probably would create focus group discussions, right? Which is cross between multiple different stakeholders. Or you could also say, okay, let me showcase, ये बोलने से नहीं होता, let me create a mock of a platform and show that platform as a reaction to people. Let me make a viable demo and show that, and let's see what they say. So, but very good, excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Which group next? Thank you.
I think so you can say go to the entire team of education. It is a teamwork, sir.
Yeah, so, well done. Okay. अभी लेकिन गेम बाकी है, बड़ा गेम बाकी है, ठीक है? मैं तुमको बोलता हूँ. Who's the next?
We understand, sir. We understand.
Next, who wants to go? I know Vase hasn't done it, So we will not complete because we haven't done the solution interview. Which other room should I go to next?
Rural youth, sir.
Yes, we have completed, sir. Anita ma'am,
Rural-
can you share?
Rural youth, huh? Okay. I can share since I'm already sharing. Okay. I want to look at your POV first. How can we, I told you to change this POV, no?
Yes.
How can we
Yes, sir,
empower school dropout youth in, अभी final POV क्या बनाया आप लोग ने? This is not a POV.
I think instead of youth, they have added school dropout.
Yes,
That is
yes,
the
yes.
change. That is the change from yesterday.
Okay.
Uh,
Imparting technical skills and entrepreneurship training. Okay. I understand that much. How many interviews did you manage to do?
4.
Three.
3. क्या समझ में आया 3 से? What did you understand? How do they react to this idea?
the team, someone can explain the solution interview.
Yes, sir. About the interview of what we did was like I was talking to a person from that place, and he was talking about the situation already happening there, how the Pratham and all doing, and how it is a failure, and how it is not up to that mark or something like that. So what is how we can reframe those solutions in a better way. That's what we did actually. What his expectation was, they are providing a lot of technical course training and all, but how I can find a job after job also, whether that income will be, whether it will be good, or whether the income is sufficient, will be sufficient for us to have it, because I'm for a daily age when he will compare it with the monthly income. So how it is thing, and how whether the training which is given, whether it will impact our daily wages, till then we are start earning. And if I'm starting a entrepreneur after completing the entrepreneurial training, if I'm starting something, who will fund, what are all the things, where I can find the funding, and how I can market all these things, whether the support will be, whether I can get a support from the system, or whether I on my own, all these things came in. Because that is what his attitude is, whether he will get a support, he want a hand holding till he earn, or he starts earning from the business. So that mentoring and that support he expects from us. That is what the thing which we understood. Yeah.
Okay. All the seeing your mural, it's looking very good. I can by reading itself, I understand. What did you as a group learn after doing this solution interview as a process? What did you learn? Anybody?
Initially, we thought that we will find a solution to let them go to school. But after interviewing in all, the mindset to find a solution changed. That they are saying directly no to regular school. They have hesitance for online learning. So we stopped thinking on, instead of letting them go into school, what other thing can be proposed as a solution. And hence that other solutions like letting in the skill center development in the village, or connecting the NGO or the corporates who have CSR funds with this village. Those ideas start coming up once the interviews were over.
Okay, good. You also an excellent study compared to the one that was done by education. So their solution that they created resonated with the students mostly. They had some concerns, right? From their concern, they came up across another idea. In your case, whatever you brought earlier to the table, they are saying, no, we don't want this. So you created a new solution. The moment the new solution is quite different from the old one, you have to go back to your POV and ask, was my POV clear?
Okay.
Because the solution that came up did not resonate with the audience, which means the POV is not clear. Was my persona profile and empathy map clear? Did I do enough interviews? If my persona profile and empathy map was not clear, was my problem statement earlier clear?
The
You
problem.
understand how it goes back?
Okay, okay.
I'm saying, right? So this is that's why it's called an iterative process. So then you have to go back and start, okay, now that we know that our audience do not want to go to regular school, do not want an online mode of learning, they want to learn something quick technical skill. So what is my problem statement is very different. For school dropouts, employment might still be the POV, and you may have got that correctly. But you may have also not understood the user very well. Else, you may have, I take it back, you can still get it wrong even if your POV is right. You can still get it wrong even if your empathy map is right. You can still get it wrong, persona map is right. But the process is iterative. You have to go back and sharpen the problem statement, sharpen your empathy map, sharpen your persona profile, sharpen your POV, get new ideas with this idea. Now you have new constraints on the table. Okay. With that constant, what new solution that you create? With these new solutions, go back for interviewing with your persona. It takes time. Okay. But the exercise in general, brilliant. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Agriculture?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, I'll open your. Your POV was, how might we create a better preservation facility with best selling price to Ajit Patel for his tomato crop? Okay. How can we create a better storage facility so that Ajit Patel gets the best selling price for his tomato crop? Out of which one thing you said was introducing software application platform for farmer, storage and consumer. Okay. And now with that, you are doing your interviews. How many interviews you managed to do?
We managed to do 3, sir.
Okay. Now explain to me, what did you learn from the interview?
From the
Sorry.
This is the empathy map. Yeah.
all of the farmers, the stakeholders we introduced, interview, they were like, the problem is with the, as we have for tomato crop, the problem is for the storage.
Correct.
And they are not getting the right price for their crop. So what we have thought is, this is here 2 problems are there. So what if we give the solution for 2 problems in one? So we thought of coming up with an software application so that it will be helpful for the storage and even for the getting a better price. So when we asked him, he liked the idea. Like, okay, when we explained about our solution, he was like, yeah, it will reduce the introduction of mediator to us. And it is a platform where I can sell my product wherever he wants.
Okay. Good. What did the things that he did not like, or he or they did not like, what came out of through interviews?
Hello.
What did they not like about the product?
Yeah.
Did they say anything bad?
What if it is the interior place or any rural area, if any network issues are there, and for the software platform, if it is not in a regional language, it is very difficult for the farmer to read. And one more thing is about the cost of the storage. We were thinking of a solution where the cost storage facility, the farmer and the consumer should be there. What if the cost of the storage facility is more for the farmer? He has to put his product over there. So that is the thinking of a stakeholder. That is the difficulty might be there in the software. So what we were thinking is, what if even we were thinking like, what if the farmers are not literated, and if this is a solution, why can't somebody has already tried it before, and why they have not implemented? So this is the question we have. So we have to do the research on it, because this is the biggest problem, and why nobody has tried it before. And what we aha moment we felt is, for the for the farmer, he can live stream his product. he can put the videos, or he can put a videos of harvesting, how he cultivates, how he gets the fresh tomato crops, and he even can create a domestic platform and even the international platform to sell his product. And even what we are thinking is we can provide him a offline notification, like how about the updates, daily update, market updates are there. Even he'll get the offline notification is mobile, even though if he has the network issues. So, and even we can give the quality assurance for the buyer. This product with the certification. Okay, this the farmer has the quality, certificate. He can go for that farmer. So this is, and even he'll get the extra time for the marketing, rather than he has to go to the market daily. He has to sell his product on the market. So this is the platform will help him to get for more marketing. He can reduce by going out and selling his product. So this is what we thought of it about the solution.
What did you learn by doing this exercise?
We have learned, because we have never thought we can come up these kind of solutions, like a technological solution for a farmer. So this is one area we brainstormed and came up with this idea.
No, and what about doing solution interviewing?
Yes, sir?
Initially you interview to understand what is the problem.
Yes.
Now you're interviewing to check with the consumer or the user whether they like the idea or not. Correct? For this kind of interviews, what was the biggest learning for you and your team by doing this exercise?
The biggest learning in the sense the customer is happy with that, happy for the idea.
Yeah, but as part of the design thinking process, why is this stage important? That's my question.
This stage we can brainstorm and get the idea for him, get a solution for him.
But what is the benefit of going and checking with the user whether this idea, what do they think about the idea?
Whenever when we went to the user
with your solution,
okay,
what is the value of this particular exercise?
is like nobody has tried with the technology, because everyone is giving the general solution to the particular problem, but we have came up with a specific solution with the modern technology. So that
Got it. I'm asking a very different question, Sushma. I'm asking.
May I?
Now, yeah, please.
We can check the feasibility of our product, whether it can be worked in a market after we have launched it or not.
Okay.
So with this particular activity, we come to know that what kind of changes we can update ourselves, and whether it is feasible after launching, or at the time of planning, what change we have to make.
You got it, Sushma?
Yes.
So may I?
Yeah. Sure.
Sir, so
yes.
we are getting very clear and very specific about the design of the product.
Correct. Okay, good. So now I'm going to, this is good. We're going to move the last and perhaps the most important part of design thinking. Now you know a lot of things. You know the problem. You know how to construct a problem. You know how to construct the idea of a user. Who is a user? What does he think, feel, like, love, hate, everything, right? Then you know, using this, you're trying to say, okay, what is my specific problem I want to solve, and what is it? How will that help this particular user? From there, you also know how to develop a great set of brainstorming tools, solutions. You also know now how to take the solution to my user, to prototype, to test whether this will work or not. But now is how do you combine all of it in one story? Okay. And what is a story? A story is a very simple series of events. Okay. And think of it, all the YouTube videos you would have watched, films you would have watched, these are all finally stories. But what occurs as one continuous story has certain elements that make up a story. Obviously, in a story, there are characters. And then then there is generally a setting. For example, there are two people who are in love and they are living in Bombay. Okay, so that is a setting. But they are in love and they are, unfortunately, the parents don't agree. Therein comes the third element of a story, which is called as a conflict. And every story will have a conflict. The conflict is the heart of the story. And the conflict can be between individuals, between families, between good versus evil, between person wants to get married, but also has got a fellowship to go abroad. Now, what should I take? Conflict, internal conflict. I'm in a very good established job, but my heart is in entrepreneurship. Have to quit and join. What will I take? So there's always a conflict within ourselves, within people, between families, between nations, and generally it follows a certain theme. Theme could be love, could be war, could be good versus evil, of courage, of bravery, of survival. These are general themes. Okay, so very simple. There are characters, and then a sequence of events happen. That's called as a plot. A sequence of events happen. Plot, conflict, and whatever happens, there is a conflict. All I have to worry about, I have a character, and the character gets a conflict. And because of the conflict, something happens. The story moves forward. And when the story moves forward, every conflict will lead to a resolution. Resolution that will lead to a particular problem being solved positively or negatively. Some immortal stories, Laila Majnu, Romeo Juliet, Hugh Ranja, love story, they never die. They are just created in new forms every time and time again. Okay, because the conflict is eternal. And the resolution in Romeo and Juliet did not lead to a positive outcome. Okay, but it could have led. So many love stories, happy endings, because it is all positive. Okay, so I want you to now think in terms of every story has this sequence. Think of images. And what images? Think of 5 photographs that capture the broader story. Okay. But before I tell you, I was thinking of not doing this, but I will anyway do it. किधर में रखा था ये?
Storyboard 1 क्या?
कहाँ पे मैं रखा? मैं
Storyboard 1.
Storyboard 1 is for them.
Okay.
But I was thinking of template room में रखा क्या ना? नहीं. Reflections. I was playing around with some groups thing. It's too lazy to put it in my one. Empathy map. Education overview, template room reflections. Okay, tell us me. Mood board.
When you're free, the waste management, we are also done with one interview and we have updated the form. If you can just check it out and suggest us if we have done right.
Yeah. Okay. We can do that. If you have done that, I would love to do that actually.
Sure.
So your POV was?
It's just based on one interview that I have able to do it.
Yeah. Hold on. POV. I'm just going to remind myself of your POV. Yeah. Waste segregation. And you say provide the general public with guide for waste separation, provide adequate bins, standardized public recycle bins. Okay. What did you go with to your user? Which solution?
They they like the way with the solution that we have provided. They like the way how them segregating the waste will help the society. Will help the society.
Whom did you interview?
The recycling much easier. Which are the same also which I interviewed yesterday for the solution for the problems.
Yeah, whom did you interview?
Anil Tiwari?
No. Whom did you interview?
No,
Was it
I
a waste collector or
I
a
interviewed a housewife who I interviewed the
housewife?
Yesterday as well.
Okay. So you said happy to interview. The housewife is saying I'm happy to interview. What
No,
was
happy
the happy to segregate? Sorry, I'm sorry. Right? Happy to segregate. What do you dislike about it?
The extra effort that they needs to put in to segregate it.
Good.
And
And what
they
is
have
it?
a doubt how long the system will sustain without proper monitoring.
Okay.
At the same time, once they understand proper guide is provided and they understand how segregation is done, they feel like it will be something simple and their efforts will be worthwhile and not wasted.
Good. See, because you have done only one interview, you only got so much inputs.
Yes.
Right? If you had done more, you would have got more inputs.
Yes.
Okay. And you would have also had more ideas. Okay, you're on the right track. Okay.
Thank you.
Let me check. Where did I keep that thing? If I don't think that thing, I will not share it. Alison and Bob, course expectations, demos. मेरा crash हो गया ना Safari, so I think I didn't save it. Okay. I'll search for the room. Hold on. Your work is not that difficult, but I'll explain a little bit about what stories are, because you may find that useful. A story का spelling. Okay, got it. See, every story, most stories follow an arc. Okay, and I just wanted to show that arc. You can choose whatever arc you want to choose, but I've actually for later. For now, I've chosen the arc for you. Okay, I'll explain what a story arc is. That every story, think of it. Don't make it complicated. Think of a film that you watched, large film that you watched. Okay, and I'll give you some few ideas. Right, rags to riches story. पहला बहुत गरीब था, very poor family, come from a very bad background, seen lot of tough times, and from tough times will move, got an opportunity, moved ahead, became a famous film actor, then had a problem, he had got into drinking habit, he lost his opportunity, hero overcomes adversity, but then he meets some very good partner, and then they live happily ever after. This is a storyline which is rags to riches story. Okay, we can think about some films which follow this. Some other different storyline is Man in a Hole. Iska ulta hai. Came from a very good family, right? Was doing very well, runs into trouble, really rock bottom, then gets out of it. Slight different. Here, rags to riches mein, he was always poor, but got an opportunity, went ahead. Okay. Here, beginning, think of it, this is like Sharabi film. Amitabh Bachchan, beginning, born in a great family, became an alcoholic, rock bottom, one bad thing, then the last okay, scene ko yaad nahi aa raha hai. But then he decides not to drink, comes out of it. Okay. Man in the Hole. The second thing is like Cinderella. Cinderella, ill fortune, slowly, getting better. Magic happens, meets prince. Suddenly curse. comes down, and again fights back up. Okay, you can, if you remember, some stories will have that arc. The hero's journey is a very complicated thing. I'll come to the end. This is like a story. If you immediately want to, I don't know. I actually haven't analyzed this story, so I can't tell. So I'll go to this one, which is the Rising Action, which is the story arc that I have chosen for you to follow. It's very simple. There's a current situation. What's wrong with the current situation? That is the conflict. The conflict is, and then there is a solution that comes and solves the current conflict, and that resolves some things. But over time, it leads to bigger change in society. Vision of the future. Okay. Current context, conflict, climax, solution, resolution of, but leading to a much bigger vision of the future. Okay, I'll explain the hero's journey. Hero's journey is from Joseph Campbell. He analyzed a lot of mythologies and legends across the world, and he realized that the hero's journey is encapsulated across cultures in one particular way. Right? There's a challenge, descending crisis, rock bottom, wars, discovery, rise, return, lesson. For example, let's say Ramayana story. Ram goes the challenge, 14-year Vanvas, going on, jungle, wars, Sita's abduction. Then that's the worst stage for him. Then discovery, something happens. There's a war that is fought, and then the Lord Ram or the hero always returns to his or her area from where he started off, the return. And there's a lesson which is broader for the rest of society. That's called as a hero's journey. Don't worry. I was contemplating showing this to you or not, because I don't know whether it will confuse you or not. But just think that every story has an arc, a way in which the storyline moves. So what I'm going to do is again repeating this. This is a story arc we are going to focus, which is called Rising Action. That is current context, conflict, something is happening, which is not solving that problem, that is making the problem worse. A solution that is proposed that makes the climax, that results in a crescendo or a climax. And because of that resolution, not only happy ever after, but also it leads to some vision of the future. Okay. So what I've done is I have given you all a storyboard. Okay. A storyboard is in every room. So I just can go in any room. Let's say I'm going to waste. And I'm going to choose a storyboard. Yeah, storyboard डाला नहीं है क्या, गिरीश?
नहीं. I just duplicated.
कहाँ पे है अभी?
No, storyboard नहीं create किया. No, it's not yet created. I haven't created.
It's in my room.
Yeah.
It's in my room.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can do.
Okay. So think of it like there are scenes. तुमको 6 scenes. You have to just think about 6 scenes. 6 scenes के लिए think about 6 pictures. Okay. The picture is, and here is where the creativity comes in. Although there is a point of view, we have gone by problem statement, point of empathy map, user map, point of view, brainstorming, getting a solution, checking solution. Now we just forget all these things. All of it is coming into one story. One story. The story here, just for you to give I've given a small write-up to Inka template. I just put that here to realize how you can use this story. Okay, just read this. The questions are there, fairly self-explanatory. Your job is to create 6 scenes. How can you? What is the 6 scenes will lead to? And this is a technique called storyboarding. Right? Storyboarding is used in any creative field. If you want to make an ad, they'll create the storyboard. An advertisement is essentially a very short movie. Or in movies, there are multiple storyboards, thousands, 10,000s, right? And then, for example, in animation films, so forget it. It's like huge, you know. But it can even use a PowerPoint presentation. Most PowerPoints, I feel, that have no story. They're just some few slides cluttered. What's your story? 5-6 slides are enough to tell you for you to tell a story. So again, It can be made into a YouTube video. It can be made into the starting point of making a YouTube video, a beginner video, a starting point of making into a small ad, a small video, small audio podcast, presentation, film. In the heart of it is storyboarding. And what is the storyboarding saying? What is scene one? Think. Scene one is, in what current situation is the protagonist or your persona at the moment? When and where are we? Where is this happening? Think scene wise. You're not thinking logically. If you're thinking a tomato farmer, you have to visualize a tomato farm. You could. It could be any scene from that person's life. What does the protagonist wants to achieve? Okay, any moment, right? You could see a short film, right? So think about the current scenario. Trigger, instigating. What is a trigger? Why is achieving the goal difficult at the moment? What triggers the protagonist or your persona to find or start using your solution idea? What situation arises where your solution idea can help? For example, tomato farm. He's going in a truck with full of tomatoes going there. He's very happy that the harvest has been very good. He goes there, and when he goes to the market, he finds that the value that tomatoes are being sold at 1 rupee a ton. Trigger. Very upset. He does something because of that, right? That is the use of the solution, rising action. How does the protagonist use the solution idea to reach his or her goal? What capabilities, aspects of the solution help the protagonist reach the goal at each step? What complications arise that your solution idea helps to solve? You don't have to answer all the questions. You're just answering one question. Okay. What's the user solution? He goes to the market, gets very upset, but he realizes, oh, there is a solution. There's a software app. I click the software app and I realize that the next Monday they are offering better services. Or there is a random idea. A random idea is there is a Kisan depot, Kisan crushing unit who make tomato sauces. He thought, okay, can I just look if there is something there and I can go there and check if they are looking for prices, if they're looking for tomato. So something like that. I don't know. I'm just making it up right now. Okay. Goal achievement is once he does that, what happens to him? Wow. And you can show him being happy, celebrating, dancing, buying a lot of money, whatever. Following action, how does the solution make the protagonist's life better on a day-to-day basis? Who else benefits from the solution in the short term and how? So you can see him doing repeatedly and his wealth growing. He suddenly has a bike at home, TV at home, better clothes, whatever that might be. And then what's the long-term impact? So you see that a lot of people in the village have started using that. All the tomato farmers have started using that. General village has got improved. Okay? Think of it 6 images. Think of movies. Movies, I'll bet you if you, especially Hollywood films, you should count the seconds when a scene moves. It's 4 seconds. Every 4 seconds, the scene will shift. First scene will be looking at the protagonist. Second scene will be, the camera will move and look at the room. After 4 seconds, the camera will look at the clock. After 4 seconds, it will go back to the main character. Every 4 seconds, you will find it moves almost like clockwork. Oh, to the viewer, it all occurs as one scene, but it's all chopped. This is what I want you to do for your idea. You have a story in mind, right? You have a problem, you have a character which is persona. The persona has a problem. You have a solution to the persona's problem. Because the solution is achieved, what happens? What bigger impact happens to him? This is your assignment. Any questions? Is everybody clear? Not clear? I'm going to stop the share.
And any doubts? Any of the groups? Anita ji is saying
clear.
Simple.
Clear.
And when they're just a doubt, Deepak ji, when they're pitching their stories, they have to actually tell the story, right?
Yeah. So what's going to happen is they're going to again break you out into rooms. They're going to meet directly at 2:45. Okay. At 2:45, you develop a story, and you are going to tell me the story. You can develop that slides, storyboard for your benefit, and I would suggest please do it. But in the end, one of you is going to tell me the story. You can show me the storyboard also while telling the story. That's fine. Okay, or combination. My suggestion is go to the storyboard because it's a great tool for you to understand how does your story move from current situation to problem, problem to solution, solution to impact. And my suggestion is go crazy. Okay, the starting point can be anything, can be any of this. I suggest, because all of it is coming into this story. It doesn't have to be logical. It can be logical. It's your story. A story is a very, very powerful method. So what is called in the business world pitch? A pitch is essentially a story. And I find so many, I can't even tell you, so many entrepreneurs can't do this. It's because they're always thinking in PowerPoint slides. They're not thinking it's in your story. What is the overarching story needs to be done? You know? What is the story you're going to choose? What you have done in the last 4 days. You have a problem, you have a character, which is a persona. You have a problem, which is a POV. You have your solution, which is what you have discussed. And you have benefits of that happening. What happens if it happens for a long period of time? That's your vision for the future. Go wild, have fun. Okay. What we're going to do, 2:45, we're going to come back and we'll start with all of you presenting. Okay. I'm going to keep the presentation limit as maximum 5 minutes. The story can't be more than 5 minutes. It can't be like 5 seconds also. So find a way in which you can tell all the story. 5 minutes. Tell me a story. What happens? I told a story about what happened to Lord Rama. I can tell you Sholay story. I can tell you Romeo and Juliet story. It's a very simple story. Dilwale Dulhania. बोलता ना क्या था दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएगी क्या था शाहरुख खान का वही है ना
दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएगी.
Correct. Bad boy meets good girl in London. Good girl goes to marry in India. Bad boy becomes in the process becomes good boy. Family suppose, father oppose. Boy and girl insist that they will not marry without father's approval. Father finally relents. They live happily ever after. Simple. The story is simple. Then there are characters and there are songs and there are dialogues and that's a different story. But the arc is very simple. Okay. Since I'm not getting feedback, I'm assuming you understand. Go ahead, have fun, make the stories. 2:45 we'll start.
Also, if you guys want to split up the storytelling amongst multiple members, that's also fine. Either ways, like as much of creativity you want to use, so that space is yours. Is it okay if they, instead of mural, they can also make their own slides, or does
they can make PowerPoint slides?
Yeah.
They cannot make a storyboard.
Yeah.
They cannot make PowerPoint slides. Finally, it has to come well as a story.
Just follow the structure, and if you want to create a slide, it's perfect.
They can even sing me a song.
Sir, one small request. Can you,
yes, sir.
Can you short summarize what items to be?
Okay, so shortly we are telling a story, right? A story, for example, what has happened. From you have what are the ingredients that you have to tell a story. You now have developed a persona of the person, right? One fictitious persona. In your case, it was Anil Tiwari, right? Okay. Now, then you have a problem that Anil Tiwari is having. Then you also have a solution in mind.
Yes.
Okay. In your case, it is a house owner can do segregation of waste, which will help Anil Tiwari, for example. Okay. Now, because of that solution, something shifts in Anil Tiwari's life and the house owner's life. Okay. Because of the shift, over time, what happens? That is the longer future. And if suppose all of Chennai did it, what happens to the city of Chennai? That is the vision for the future. Got it? Okay. Now,
So here,
how you do it? Yeah.
so in our presentation, Prasanna, the problem faced by the Anil Tiwari, in between, what are the long experience he has made, then the solution.
Yes, yes. But think like Rajini film, sir, or Kamal film, whichever you are a fan. Okay. Don't think logically, because films are not logical. They touch our heart, no? They have a lot of emotive quality. Even if you want to sell me,
how many slides and how many minutes can
maximum 6 slides, maximum 5 minutes. If you are not using any of these things, that's fine. Okay. If you want to sing me a song, I'll be very okay.
Okay.
If you want to make a dance performance, I'll be okay. But
So
finally, it is in a story form.
Exactly at what time we must present?
2:45, all the groups are going to reconvene.
What time?
2:45.
2:45.
Okay,
2:45.
Okay, thank you.
So
You have
please-
enough time.
Sir, please make that 3 because बीच में lunch break भी होगा. So
ठीक है.
Last day, madam, 3 आप जल्दी खा लो खाना.
नहीं
अगर आप जल्दी खा लोगा तो फिर मैं आपको जल्दी छोड़ दूंगा इसके लिए.
नहीं चलिए ठीक है.
Okay. It is not, don't fret over it. Okay. You go wild, be creative, enjoy the process.
एक्चुअली सर क्या होता है ना कभी कभी कोई कहीं पे ऑफिशियल उसमें फंस जाता है 10-15 मिनट के लिए. सो
I know, but I also have to leave you at 4:30. I have my constraints also. Okay, please.
Fine.
Okay. Thank you, and I'll see you at 2:45. Girish, you have to put the storyboard in all the murals and send the links to all the rooms.
Sure. If you can just copy it in one of the rooms, then I can do
Yeah, I'll do that. I thought I had done it.
So I'm just creating the
अरे मैं
breakout
किया था
rooms.
तुम्हारे लिए. तो मैं बोला था मैं
This must be a group or individual?
Group, sir.
Each group. So waste management group, education, rural youth, and agriculture. We'll have 4 presentations. Each presentation will be 5 minutes. And it's completely up to the group. One person wants to say it or multiple people want to narrate the story. But you're basically directors of the movies for those 5 minutes, narrating the story. Right?
Okay.
So I'm going to be creating the breakout rooms now, and it will be active till 2:45. So I'm setting it for that's like 1 hour and
47 minutes.
So yeah, so that will be